Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that red button and you'll get notifications of my next videos. I want to show you how to deep condition your hair at a fraction of a cost compared to what it costs when you go to a beauty salon, but it's just as effective. Stay tuned. So to effectively deep condition my hair, I use Spectrum organic coconut oil. I put it throughout my hair, I comb it in, and I leave it in my hair for about 15 minutes to half an hour. Now, if I really want to get effective results, I put it under a shower cap. Now, you can get shower caps anywhere. If you go to a hotel, for instance, like I did, I went to the Fairmont. We're a lucky girl. So they have shower caps there. And take this home and use it. You leave your hair for about 15 minutes, half an hour if it's really damaged. If you want to even get better results, you can use a hair dryer and blow it while it's under the shower cap. I then wash it out, of course, and this is the results that I got. My hair is silky, no tangles, and shiny. Give it a try. So this is the results that I get when I use deep conditioning coconut oil. You'll get the same effect. Just give it a try. My hair is nice and bouncy and shiny and full. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye for now.